it's a sound as iconic as the trains themselves, melodies echoing through Japan's rail stations, guiding passengers with music instead of monotonous beeps. But now those tunes are fading away, starting with JR East's Nambu Line. These melodic cues have long been part of Japan's rail identity. Noborito Station, for instance, features the Doraemon theme, a tribute to the nearby Fujiko Fujio Museum. Over in Takadanobaba, Astro Boy chimes in, reminding passengers of the area's manga legacy. Since 1989, these songs have connected communities, reflecting local culture, history, and even anime nostalgia. But early this year, JR East announced a major change. The Nambu Line will transition to a one-man operation system, eliminating the role of the onboard conductor. Conductors once activated those special melodies at each station. Without them, and with tight one-minute stop windows, that responsibility now falls to a solo driver, making it impractical to maintain station-specific tunes. As a result, all stations on the Nambu Line will default to a generic melody, ending the age of individualized departure music along this route. The public response? Mixed. While many understand the need for efficiency, others mourn the loss of a uniquely Japanese tradition, one that makes the daily commute feel more personal. But could technology offer a solution? One proposal, linking train controls to platform speakers wirelessly, allowing the driver to trigger melodies without ever leaving the cab. Such automation could preserve these cultural gems without compromising safety or logistics. Yet, JR East hasn't confirmed any such upgrades. At least, not yet. Japan's station melodies are more than just sounds. They're memory triggers, cultural symbols, and moments of joy in a fast-paced world. Whether they fade away or evolve with the times, they'll always hold a place in the heart of Japan's commuters.